Lot number 149 is a 2004 Bluebird All-American 72-passenger school bus. This one's been running for over an hour. It idles smooth, it revs up nice. The motor looks good. It was either cleaned or rebuilt, but it looks extra clean compared to all the other ones. It's missing all three batteries and the cable that connects all three together. This setup right here is ours, and we use it to start all these buses that are missing the batteries. So this bus comes with no batteries, and you also need the positive and the negative triple connector, the one that connects all three batteries together. Take a look at this engine. Looks extra clean compared to the other ones I've been looking at all day. That blue hose looks like it was recently changed. Motor sounds good. Overall, the body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around and shows normal wear and tear. Overall, it looks good. The paint is faded. Tires look good. It's got some dents on the roof on the passenger side. Right around there. It's got tinted windows all around. Looks good. Look at the tires. See, there's some dents right there along the top. All right, let's go inside. The interior appears to be complete and in good shape. It's very dirty and very moldy. This will need a very good cleaning. The AC back there is making noise, but it's not blowing anything. The front one does nothing. The interior is dirty, dirty. Dashboard looks good. Steering wheel is extra moldy. It's got 125,000 miles. Can't read the hours, so hours are unknown. It's got 125,000 miles. All the other gauges appear to be working fine. It revs up nice. It idles smooth. Automatic transmission engages. It's lot number 149. 149. Good luck.